Hopefully it's just hard rain. All around here, guys. Look at that. All around. But they were calling for it today. And this afternoon it got up to 24. You get thunderstorms like this back in Germany too?
Oh yeah.
Although hail and storm season is on our way. Look at the lightning flashes coming out of that. I can get something for my YouTube. I had 3 straight days at Heritage Park, so I was busy.
Well,
That's why I told you to take tomorrow and Friday off, because I was out in the sun a lot too. Got a few sunburns and whatnot. Just many, but you know, I was very active.
Nice. But then you miss your 5 guys.
Yeah. Honestly, it'll taste good. It'll taste really good when I go back.
Yeah.
The girl's probably wondering where I've been.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that. That's one big high precipitation storm. Even over there, it's not as bad, but it's raining over there too.
It's dry. Absolute dry.
Might not be for long.
Yep. Look here. It's all nice.
Holy crap. I'll get a good view here when we... Oh! Lightning. Which way is it taking us?
Shortest.
Yeah.
69, almost 70 kilometers.
Feel the wind? It's windy.
Not the shortest, the fastest.
Yeah. Hey, it's very windy. You can feel it. Like the trees aren't moving right now, but it's the calm before the storm. But you'll feel it pushing. You can feel it pushing the car sometimes. Well, starting to. Oh, lightning. Too bad the trees were in the way. All these trees are dead. Look at them. Oh, she's gonna come again. Get ready for another wave.
Can you feel the pressure?
I can feel the pressure change instantly. Ooh. Ooh, feel the wind? Look at over there, you can't even hardly see.
In about 10 kilometers, turn left onto Highway 564.
Ay, ay, ay. Getting stronger.
Ooh, did you see that? That wind gust there. really strong winds.
Yeah, look at the side of the road, all the grass.
Oh, it's moving.
It's crazy. All the trees bending down.
Oh, shit. Look at that. Oh, man. They're giving her. Look at that. Strong winds. Oh, it's
We're
gonna.
going into the storm. Look at that. Here.
Look at over there. It's just howling over there.
But here too.
Yeah, it's all around us.
No, on the right side. Right side is still alright. I'm sure nobody is flying yet.
Jeez.
They can't land it and they can't start the party. Not when it's happening like that.
Pretty intense thunderstorms here. Not in the intense part yet, but oh wow, big cloud to ground lightning strike.
Big flash.
Oh, another flash. It's really intense over there. Oh, now it's gonna start. Holy crap. That's nuts. Almost like the sky has a tinge to it, almost.
It's very dark there.
Well, a new experience for both of us. I caught that.
Oh yeah.
Now it's going over here too, both directions. Boy, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. I got that. Lightning is all over around us now. Yeah, wow. Look at the wind, it's bringing up the crazy. We must be turning soon. Yeah, rain is starting again, so oh yeah, here it goes. Yeah.
1 kilometer, turn left onto
The
Highway
bolts are coming out like crazy. 1 kilometer, we're turning left. So, first big thunderstorms of the year, so this is gonna be
On our outing.
Yep. Exactly.
Left onto Highway 560.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah. And we haven't had a thunderstorm. We've had rain when we were out, but not this. It's gonna be crazy. Oh, another one. I probably. It's gonna get nuts here.
For about 16 kilometers, continue.
Oh, and we gotta go 16. Holy crap.
Look how dark.
Yeah.
Here, it will be there.
Yeah. It's gonna get crazy here, folks. It's a lot darker than it is on my camera, so just so you guys know that.
You should show it as a slide.
Yeah, and there's it's lighter over there, but we're pretty much almost right on top of it now.
You can see the difference from here.
Yeah. The wind will get crazy here again. Oh, it struck the tree almost. Did you see that? Struck the tree almost. Crazy. Wow. Oh, it's all around us. Can't capture it all.
But this one was long.
Very long. Oh, now we're getting into the thick of the raindrops.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh, again.
You just got the Cybertruck on the camera.
Oh shit, it's... Did you hear that? Hail. Oh, how big are they? I hope not too bad.
That's drops. It's just big drops of rain.
Trust me, I know when it starts to sound like hail though.
Yeah? You have
Yeah.
experience.
Something a lot worse than this.
Oh, yeah.
I experienced baseball. Uh-oh. That's a little big.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, they're driving in it, so just take your time through this. A couple of big ones, but not very intense lightning as well. Whew. Those were some sizable stones. The first couple that hit the window.
Hitting in the heart of
Oh yeah. Over there was a couple intense lightning strikes. Yeah, wow. Take our merry time through this one.
About 2 kilometers, keep right to merge onto Highway 201.
Oh, spider strike.
That was pinkish.
Man, this is a long what you call it we got going on. My grandma won't get this as bad because she's kind of out of the firing line. Langdon is not in. There might get something, but not this.
It had already some.
Yeah.
We're going into the heart of the storm.
Yeah. And again tomorrow there's a chance to see. But do you see how much rain is forecasted this weekend? A ton is supposed to come. They might move my dance inside because
Oh yeah.
it's gonna be rainy and it's gonna be cold, apparently. Well, if there's any wildfires around, this will certainly help.
That would be good for
Oh,
to have rain.
the rain is torrential right now, pretty much. Hard to see.
I don't think it does have to work now.
Oh! Wow. Pinkish again.
You went Saturday to Heritage Park,
Yes, I did.
Sunday and Monday.
Yep, so I made good use of my weekend.
Who did you went for? With
A girl named Carm and then Rhea. still raining fairly heavy.